Hi guys, today we are going to do red sauce pasta. Now I will not show the ingredients, I will directly start the recipe. And it is also called as pink pasta. Now I will start the recipe. First we will take some water and then boil the water. The water needs to be nicely boiled. Now I will add some salt in it. 1 or 2 spoons of salt, it's your choice. Now our water has been boiled. Now I will add 2 spoons of oil. Now I will add the pasta. You can also add the other type of pasta like butterfly pasta. Now we will make the tomato puree. Now we will boil the tomatoes. And you need to make some space or you can cut the tomatoes. Now our tomatoes are nicely boiled. Now we will put the tomatoes in cold water. This is cold water so it stops cooking. Now let it be in for some time. And now our pasta is ready. You need not to overcook the pasta, because after some time we are going to do the next process. Now we will make the tomato puree. First we will remove the skin of the tomato. You need to remove everything, otherwise it will not be good. Now I have removed the skin of all the tomatoes. Now we will blend it, and you can also cut the tomatoes and then make the puree, but I am doing it like this. Put all 3 tomatoes. Now we will mix it. Now our pasta is nicely boiled and the tomato puree is also done. So now to stop the cooking of pasta, we will put some cold water. Yes, we will put some cold water. And now I have here some onions, carrot, and now I will add some corn. It's your choice. You can also add capsicum if it is available. Now we will nicely mix them all. You can see that our onion has nicely get an color of goldenish color. We will mix it nicely. Now we will add the tomato puree in it. You need to mix the tomato puree nicely. Now if you want some spicy, then you can add red chili powder. You can also add more, it's your choice. Now I will add the mixed herbs. That is also your choice. If you want some more, you can add some more mixed herbs. And now we will add the pasta mix powder. You can get it in any grocery store. Now red chili flakes. It's your choice. You can also add some more. And now our gravy is ready. Now we need to just add some sauce. And yes, we will add some sauce now. Salt. It's as per your taste. Salt as per your taste. And now it's ready. Now we will add the pasta. You can see how easy recipe this is. You surely try this recipe. And now we will mix the pasta nicely. We will add some cream, 1 cup of cream, and nicely mix them all, so that inside the pasta also our gravy can go and then the taste can come very nice. You can see our pasta is ready. Now I will add some Parmesan cheese for pasta. Parmesan cheese is the best cheese. You can see how thick and nice smooth our pasta is. It's very nice recipe. You should surely try it. You can see how nice, juicy, and all the colors are looking. Now we will put some cheese on it. Now in this cheese you can add any type of, if you want mozzarella or normal cheese you can add, it's your choice. But add a little bit more so the taste comes very nice. Yes, you can see. And if you like this recipe, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and please share it to your friends and families. Thank you.